Hi, yeah, I'm a smart repairer, mobile, which is really handy that if you need your car repairing, rather than take it to a garage and leave your car for a few days, we'll come to your home or your work. And basically we do alloy wheels, which you can see I'm doing at the moment. We do bumper scuffs, bumper corners, we do some welding on bumpers. So anything you need doing, we can do it, and with very competitive pricing. So at the moment the damage at the top is not too severe, so I'm going with a lighter grade paper to take out the damage and see how far I can go with this one. Quite severe damage down here, so I'm basically going to use a heavier grade paper and try and work out the damage. Preparation is so important, you know, there's no way you can actually skip something and I'll skim over it because it'll come back and bite you. You know, you've got to make sure you do a good, thorough job. Right now I'm just going to basically blow out all the dust and debris, and then what I'm going to do is called scotch the wheel, so it gives it a key for the paint to stick. Basically just mixing the paint up. Obviously being a black wheel, it's pretty straightforward in mixing the paint. So let's put some paint in. Should be enough. Okay, the paint's now on. I'm just going to dry it off, put the lamps back on, heat it up, and then I'm going to put the lacquer on and then just let it dry and demask, and the wheel should be back to perfect.